In this class, we are going to discuss about life cycle of instances. Now we have various features and services that facilitates management of Amazon EC2 instances over the entire life cycle. So what we have, we have several features and we have some services. These features and services that facilitates the entire management or life cycle of instances. First, we have launching. In launching that means these are the services which are used for launching new Amazon EC2 instances. So whenever we have to launch new EC2 instance, so we have various services. Now what are the services? Like we have bootstrapping. Service we have bootstrapping. Now we have a benefit of cloud. Now what could be the perfect benefit of the cloud? That means cloud has an ability to run script. It has the ability to script virtual hardware. Because of cloud, it has ability to script virtual hardware. Cloud has the ability to script virtual hardware management in a manner that is not possible with permissive hardware. That means we can script, because of the virtual hardware, we have some qualities that could not be managed through on-premises hardware. So that means virtual hardware management is quite easy because of the cloud. And if I have on-premises hardware, the management of those or that hardware will be very much tedious job. Now process of providing code to run on an instance at a launch. That means we have to provide some code. This code to run on instance. That means we require some code so that this code can run on an instance. It is called as bootstrapping, but this instance at launch. Whenever we are starting, because we are dealing with launching, so in bootstrapping, we have to provide a code to an instance at a launch so that it can run. This process is called bootstrapping. That means whenever we have to launch an instance, we have to provide some code to the instance for instance running. So this is called as bootstrapping. Now, this bootstrapping is basically required at the launch of an instance. Now, one of the parameters when an instance is launched is string value, which is called as user data. That means whenever we have an instance, whenever we launch this instance, so we have a string value and we call this string value as user data. The string value is called as user data. This string basically this string is passed to operating system. Whatever my string value, it is passed to the operating system to launch process the first time of an instance. First time of an instance when it is booted. That means we have to require to boot an instance, and we are booting with the help of a string value, and string value is a user data. So this is bootstrapping whenever we have to launch an instance on EC2. Next we have virtual machine import and export. VM import and export. Now import virtual machine from existing environment. So if we have some existing environment, we can import virtual machine on as Amazon EC2 instance and export back to on-premises environment. So next we can export to on-premises environment. From existing we are importing and then exporting back to the on-premises environment. Next we have instance metadata. Instant metadata, this is basically the data for configuration and managing running instances. For configuration and managing all running instances, we have instance metadata. So this is life cycle of an instance. Thank you so much.